Hey, good day, my favorite friends and viewers. Good morning, good afternoon, good night, based on location you are watching me. Now, today, our topic is trigonometry ratios of angles between 0 degree and 360 degree. Trigonometry ratio of angles between 0 degree and 360 degree. Now, under this topic, we make use of what is called quadrant. Quadrant is 1/4 of a circle. Is quadrant. Quadrant is 1/4 of a circle. So we make use of quadrant in solving this. Now, this is a circle now. And a circle, if divided into 4 equal parts, it will now be a quadrant. Now, a circle makes 360 degree. Therefore, here is 90, here is 90, here is 90, and here is 90. Therefore, 90, 180, 270 degree, and 360 degree. This is for circle. Now, in this topic, here is called the first quadrant. This place is the first quadrant. Now, this is the first quadrant. Here is again the second quadrant. Here is the second quadrant. Here is the third quadrant. And here is the fourth quadrant. This is how it is numbered. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Now, if you look at this, you will see that first quadrant is between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. Second quadrant is between 90 and 180. Angles here is from 91 to 180. Here is from 181 to 270. And here is from 271 to 360. Now, in first quadrant, let us draw it. Here is our y-axis horizontal, y-axis, and here is x-axis. Here is our 90 degree, and here is the completion. Now, here is our theta. Remember, here is positive y, and here is positive x. Now, let us now find sine theta. Okay, now let's call here A, B, C, and here will be A, B, C. Now, if you look at here now, you will see that sine theta will be opposite of hypotenuse. Sine theta will be equals to C over B, positive. Cos theta will be equals to adjacent A over B, positive. And tan theta will be equals to opposite over adjacent C over A. Therefore, in first quadrant, all these trigonometric ratios are positive. In first quadrant, all these three ratios are positive, none is negative. Therefore, first quadrant, theta is 90 degree. Theta is between 90 degree. Theta is between 90 degree in first quadrant. And all are positive. All trigonometric ratios, all three ratios are positive. This one is for first quadrant. Now, in second quadrant, we have this. In second quadrant, we have this. Here is our theta. Here is our theta. Here is our 90 degree. Here is positive y-axis. Positive y-axis. Here is a negative s-axis. So here we also positive y-axis. And here is the negative s-axis. Now, please always remember to follow my YouTube channel, subscribe to it, follow my YouTube page, comment and like my videos. Now, let us solve for sine theta in this. Here's our positive y, here's positive y, here's negative x. Now, sine theta is equals to opposite, which is y, over hypotenuse, which is here. Now, here theta, hypotenuse A. It will be opposite over hypotenuse, which is y over A. Now, cos theta will be equals to adjacent, which is minus x. Minus x over hypotenuse, which is again A. And tan theta is equals to opposite is plus y over adjacent is minus x. Now, if you look, the only trig ratio which is positive, is sin theta. Sin theta is only positive trig ratio on the second quadrant. Therefore, you say sin theta, only sine is negative, is positive in second quadrant. Only sine is positive in second quadrant. Now, on the second quadrant, angles in second quadrant is below 180 degree. It is okay, 90 degree, but below 180. It is greater than 90, but below less than 180 degree. Therefore, our formula of second quadrant is the formula is equals to 180 minus theta. This is the formula for second quadrant, 180 minus theta. Now we enter into third quadrant. Now this is third quadrant. Let us draw the third quadrant. Third quadrant is like this. Here is our 90 degree, here is our theta. Now remember, here is negative y, down is negative y, so negative y, here is negative x, and let us call here a. Now let's solve sin theta. Sin theta will be equals to opposite, which is minus y over hypotenuse, which is a. Cos theta will be equals to adjacent is minus x over hypotenuse is a, and tan theta will be equals to our opposite is minus y, adjacent is minus x. Now minus will cancel out minus cancel minus, we have plus. Therefore, tan theta is equals to y over x. Now, on third quadrant, you will see that the only trig ratio that is positive is tan theta. Tan theta is the only positive trig ratio. Therefore, in third quadrant, only tan theta is positive. Only tan theta is positive in third quadrant. Now, the formula for third quadrant is going to be theta minus 180. Angles in third quadrant, yes. Now the formula for tan theta for the third quadrant is theta minus 180. Angles on third quadrant is between 180 and 270. Therefore, our formula for third quadrant, the formula is equals to theta minus 180 degree. This is the formula for third quadrant, theta minus 180 degree. Now we enter into the last quadrant, which is the fourth quadrant. The fourth quadrant. Now the fourth quadrant is like this. Now we have negative y-axis and positive s-axis and a. Now let us now solve our trigonometric ratios. Now sin theta will be equals to opposite, which is minus y, over hypotenuse, which is a. Cos theta is equals to adjacent, which is x, over hypotenuse, which is a. And tan theta is equals to opposite, which is minus a, minus y over adjacent, which is plus x. Now, the only positive ratio in this trig ratio is cos theta. Cos theta is only positive because it has x over a. So therefore, under third quadrant, only cos theta is positive. Only cos theta is positive. Now remember, angles in fourth quadrant is less than 360 degree. Therefore, the formula will be equal to 360 minus theta. This is the formula for the fourth quadrant. 360 minus theta. Now, second quadrant, the formula is 180 minus theta. Third quadrant is theta minus 180, and fourth quadrant is 360 minus theta. Now, there is a way of memorizing all these. There is a way to memorize all this. Know when all is positive, when sign positive, term positive, and cause is positive. Now, let us now know how to memorize it. Please don't forget to follow my YouTube channel, like my videos, subscribe to the channel, follow my Facebook page. Now, we make use of what is called art. Art. We make use of what is called art to memorize all these quadrants. Now, remember, here is first quadrant, here is second quadrant, here is third quadrant, and here is fourth quadrant. Now, under here, A signifies on, C signifies cos. Now, it is S, and here is C. Now, remember, in first quadrant, all is positive. In second quadrant, only sign is positive. In third quadrant, tan theta is positive, while in the fourth quadrant, cos theta is positive. Now, this is how we memorize it. Now, A signifies for, we call it all students. All students takes Coke. This is a simple memorization. All students takes Coke, where A signifies all is positive, S signifies sign is positive, T signifies time is positive, and C signifies that Coke, as in Coke, C signifies that cause is positive. Now, with this, we are going to end the lesson for today. Always click that subscribe button in that YouTube channel. Click on it. Follow my YouTube page and Facebook channel. Like my videos, and comment in the comment section. Share it, okay? Thank you and remain blessed. Bye.